Hey Scott, Gomi OG Drones. Today we're going to talk about the Neo 2 and how the Freewell ND filter set did not allow the gimbal to calibrate. So what I did, I returned it and picked up the Newall version of SD filters for the Neo 2. And we're going to go ahead and put that on and number one, see if it fits. And then we're going to determine whether or not the gimbal will calibrate with it on. So to start, we'll go ahead and get out a filter. They're marked ND8, ND32, and then there's also a polarized version in here. So we're going to go ahead and take out the ND8. And the attachment is similar to the Neo original with the clip. So let's go ahead and see if we can't clip this onto the camera. There are indentations at the back of the camera, which then allows it to clip onto, and then it clicks over the front of the camera. So far so good. Next, we'll go ahead and turn it on. Okay. All right, we're connected to the Neo 2. We'll go into Settings, Control, and we will recenter the gimbal.
Fly in well lit, textured environments.
The gimbal will recenter. Next, we'll go to the calibration, to the auto. And calibration successful. I believe that is a success, and we can also see that the camera, it's filtered. It seems to be the ND filter is secure, but like with any ND filter, if you crash hard landing or have any issues with sudden stopping, the ND filter may pop off. So if any of that happens, make sure to look around or ensure that the ND filter is still attached. So where the Freewell ND filter would not allow the gimbal to center or to calibrate, the Newall clip-on ND filter worked great, as you saw. All right, again, thanks for watching and keep flying.